Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So it's a Saturday. I'm back again with the performance review of what happened the last week. So if you guys also want to check it out, this is our website, watanabeshow.in. If you scroll down, you get a link for the Google Sheets. Click here, and this is the sheet for the weekly consolidated report. So it's only view only. So I'll make a copy of it so I can edit and show you guys the number of trades we've taken and everything. So if we come to the 12th May, so I'm giving you an update on the 12th May expiry, like what happened. So we were down about 4.25% on year, but on that particular week, we were up by 7.7%. But overall, we ended a little bit negative, that is 356 rupees. And apart from that, the cash market, right, we're getting hit here around 8,000 rupees. So if we think about it, like the overall market scenario is down, that's the reason why even our cash is down. If you look at the number of trades, we've taken around 100 trades and 105 trades, and we have won around 77. Like if we come to that percentage wise, let me do it.
There's about 73%.
Yes, Cora, you got it right. So about 73% is what our win rate is. And if you come to this week, we're a little bit up like here. And let me show you our cash market report from our back office. I think their website is down, Cora.
Try once more, SAS back office. Such. Yeah.
Yeah.
Down for the maintenance, so there's nothing you can do.
Actually, 16th is something like I got a message. So yeah, it is down. I would show you guys there.
Next week we'll show, yeah.
Yeah, next week I'll show you guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me show you our YouTube channel if you're new here. Even on YouTube, we have Watanabe.in. So these are all our playlist. We have IPO playlist also, and as a allocation, this is a word.
A webinar that we did last time.
Yes, it's a webinar, and you guys can check it out also on asset allocation, and all our performance review videos like what I did is again in a playlist here. So when you have time, please do check it out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, have a nice day.